Minister has been conjuring up the spirits of previous leaders for foreign policy advice.
It's always on me, they be sorting everything. Run along, fuck's sake. I'm sick of you cunts, I said. I'm going off the grid, fling to a hit. Rap can't clash to me, but I can take your strides, man, there's nothing to see. I'm going for a chowder and a dip in the sea. I can quit the land, dude, that's a little bit of me.
Kneecap, always filling the void. And uaimse and fucking yellow, just chill with the boys. I'm being on them gullah statue, making some noise. It's only post pull a chord that they're trying to avoid. You're not getting away with fuck all. You're not getting away with doing nothing. The animal charm, but never look sure. You think we move on and forget what happened? Nah, fuck your slaughter. Netanyahu's bitch and genocide armor. Better off as compost for farmers. Every time I watch the cringe and I'm embarrassed. Die feest shit are real, not an small film. No escaping that, the fucking are go from. The mission starts to see our more home. Twiddling thumbs with fools with their home.
Activists are currently being surgically attached to one another to see if there really is strength in numbers.